Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Kel. Today I am going to show you guys my very first bloom set on coasters. I call this piece Purple Portal Coaster Set. So being that this was my first video, I honestly did not think about making note of all the colors that I use. I'm pretty sure I can remember them all just based on the video right now. So there was no particular order that I placed the paints onto my coasters. The paint that was placed on the coasters were a mixture of tube paints. So that purple and that yellow that you see down already are tube paints. And then I did use a few others that were pigments. If some of you are wondering about this technique, I purchased the course from Sheleeart. I will put her information in the description below so you guys can check it out if you are interested in this technique. She goes into all the supplies you would need and then show you many different ways that you can use this technique. So I think it is very beneficial for those who might be interested. So here you see me blowing out the paints with the cell activator on top. I'm just going around and spreading the paint out. And now I am going to spin it. Spin it, spin it, spin it. This is spreading that paint on all over the coaster. Did y'all see that? Man, that was hilarious to me. We are going to see it again. Let's check that out in reverse before I play it again. And what's funny is this was my first time, and it definitely hasn't been my last time because it has happened almost repeatedly on every one that I have done. So I didn't, even though this was kind of looking good, I did not like the way it was turning out. So you will see me scrape it. And that's what I'm doing right now. I just started it all over. Again, this was my first one, so after this one though, I think I got a pretty good hang of it, and I was rolling then. After I scraped this one, what I did was, instead of using the tube paints, because I believe those were too thick for me, I just used all pigment paints for the 4 coasters. So this first try was 2 tube paints and then pigments, and then the ones you'll see from now on are just pigments only. I did find those paint colors, so if you are interested, they are posted below, but they are TLP Funk, This Little Piggy's Funk, This Little Piggy Grunge, Pearl Ex Scarlet, and Pearl Ex Magenta. Here's an up close shot of all 4 coasters that were done. I laid the paints differently in each one of them, so they all have their own unique look. And here they are totally dry. They dried perfectly. They look just like they did when they were wet, which is what I like. I do have others that shifted and look totally different, but these actually turned out very well. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. If you need anything, please post in the comment section and I will get back to you. Until then, stay crafty.